Red flag laws are an effort to better identify individuals who are becoming increasingly dangerous, either to themselves or towards others, and to intervene in a very narrow, specific, and targeted way to disarm them and reroute them toward treatment options before they actively harm themselves or others. So what these laws do then is they open up avenues for non-state actors, so people like friends, family members, teachers, co-workers, to petition either courts or law enforcement to hold hearings to have an investigation into whether this individual needs to be disarmed. I'm Amy Swear, the Senior Legal Policy Analyst in the Heritage Foundation's Edwin Meese Center for Legal and Judicial Studies. When we look at tragedies like what happened in Parkland or in Tucson, Arizona, or in Aurora, Colorado, what we saw were individuals, again, who those around them saw that they were increasingly becoming dangerous. And in many instances, they actually took steps to alert authorities, but nothing was ever done. And so what these laws would have allowed those individuals to do is to go to the courts themselves, and it would have allowed them to bring these very, very legitimate underlying concerns to the attention of someone who could do something to intervene. Whenever we're talking about infringing on the right to keep and bear arms, which is a fundamental constitutional right, we need to ensure that prior to even temporary restrictions on that right, we're affording individuals substantial due process. Some of the other things we need to look at are to ensure that these are temporary measures, that they are limited in time, and that as soon as that individual is no longer a danger to themselves or others, that there is a clear process for that person to have not just their rights given back, but also any firearms that were seized, because that is their property and it should be given back to them. Under current laws, we keep seeing time and time again dangerous individuals who everyone around them knows are dangerous and a threat to themselves or others, who don't rack up disqualifying criminal or mental health histories and are able to legally purchase and possess firearms that they then use to harm other people. So these laws try to capture that specific narrow subset of the population that are dangerous before they go on and commit crimes or harm themselves.